Welcome to Tipperary County Council Library Service. Transparent language can be accessed directly through our Libraries Ireland portal at www.library.transparent.com/LGMA. Simply click to sign up and enter your 14-digit library card number. And that's it. You are ready to start learning. You can also download the Transparent Language app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign in with your email address and password. There are over 100 languages to choose from, and also Kids Speak language learning for children aged 6+. This video has been produced with the support of the Dormant Accounts Fund.